Hi, you're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Every year on May 27, India pays homage to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the nation's first Prime Minister. On his death anniversary, Nehru, a key figure in India's freedom, struggle and a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, passed away on this day in 1964. His ideas, values and visions continue to influence generations across the country. Jawaharlal Nehru played a pivotal role in shaping modern India. He campaigned secularism, unity in diversity, and social justice, working tirelessly to ensure that India remained a democratic and inclusive nation. A strong advocate of science, technology, and education, Nehru believed that India's future depended on the ability to modernize and uplift the life of its citizens, especially the poor and the marginalized. One of his most notable contributions were reforming Hindu civil laws to give Hindu widows equal rights in property and inheritance, a significant step towards gender equality in Indian society. Who was Jawaharlal Nehru? Born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad, Nehru was not only a freedom fighter but also a visionary leader and a thinker. After India gained independence in 1947, he became the country's first Prime Minister and held the position until his death in 1964. Deeply committed to democracy and progress, Nehru focused on building strong institutions and empowering the nation's youth. His love for children and belief in their role in nation building is the reason his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. His tributes are many, but let's share some few. On this day, citizens across the country remember Nehru's legacy and share messages of respect and admiration. Here are a few simple tributes. Remembering Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his death anniversary. His vision laid the foundation for modern India. Tribute to India's first Prime Minister, a true statesman who dreamt of a united and progressive nation. On Nehru's death anniversary, we honor his commitment to democracy, development, and social justice. Nehru's words continue to inspire and guide. Here are a few memorable quotes from him. Facts and facts will not disappear on account of your likes. Culture is the widening of the mind and of the spirit. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, and time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. A moment comes which comes, but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new. Many Congress leaders today pay tribute to him. Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi paid floral tributes at Nehru's memorial. Shantivan in Delhi. Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, also paid homage, acknowledging Nehru's visionary leadership in laying the foundation of a free and democratic India. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge described Nehru as the architect of modern India and remarked that India we know is the 21st century would not be possible without his contributions. A legacy that lives on. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's death anniversary is not only a day of remembrance, but also a moment to reflect on the values he stood for: democracy, inclusivity, science, progress, and social reform. His dreams and ideals remains a guiding force as India continues its journey towards progress and unity. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app, follow us on various social media platforms.